Alright. I'm pretty sure that my Bandicam's running. Yeah, that looks about right. I, yeah, I'm gonna make a video here, I guess. I don't know why I have my inspect box open for some reason. I, I'm confused. It just does this. It's gonna load in. I'm gonna look at my channel here. That's not how you look at my channel. Okay. Right, so we just click this. There we go. And I wonder how it's actually doing it now. Alright, so... Oh. Okay. Okay, 2,000 views. How? Oh, wow. Oh, uh... I... That's new. So, we're gonna be doing a new video today. And... Alright, so, yeah, this is going to be a guide on how I actually create my subliminals. I don't know how I actually did so well in that video, but whatever. 36 subscribers too. This has to be the most successful YouTube channel I've run in a while, because it's the most successful YouTube channel I've ever ran. Okay, so we actually go right off the bat. We just go to this website called From Text to Speech, and you, well, the reason why there might be some audio other than my own actual voice is due to the fact that I'm currently eating some mints from Ron John's, the cinnamon flavored. So I we're going to use a placeholder affirmation of I have big dong. I know, it's creative, not. I have the speech set to very fast and I use all four voices being um, Alice, Daisy, George, John, and Jenna. I don't remember entirely. I'm trying to recall this from memory, but after I create the audio, I continue to do it for each one. And we also have I have big balls. I get full heckin' fast. Heckin' fast. Very heckin' fast, yeah. That'll do. Then I have, my results are permanent. I I don't really use you or why are you affirmations, but I haven't used them since my master songwriter subliminal. My drawing grows while I sleep. It's one of those length or continuity ones, that, as well as my balls grow while I sleep. This is, I don't even know why I'm doing this. I, so I think that's pretty good. And yeah, this is my background. Call me a weeaboo if you will, but it's kind of expected. Alright, so after a while I pull up the Subliminal Maker folder, which has a lot of random files that I have yet to remove yet, but whatever. And then after that, we we're there's some subliminals in here that I'm working on, then others that I'm not, and then there's stuff from a long time ago that I haven't downloaded yet. So now we're loading up our good old Audacity family, and then we just import some audio. I will have the tracks thrown in there at like sixfold, I guess. We have like 6 recordings of each track, and then we keep multiplying it by 6 recordings of that. And it's kind of cool. And then we keep on stacking them into 6 until we eventually have these 6-part blocks, and then we just have a block of 5, and we have a new stereo layout for it. We're going to pull up a random track. The first cello concerto of Hayden Roberts should be pretty good. So let's go ahead and use that. This is going to be here now. It's loaded in. Good to know. That cut was because I let it cut. I'm going to cut out the second movement because we're not making a subliminal that's 5 minutes long, even though this video is probably going to be well over 10. Then we're going to load in the affirmations now. We don't have actual affirmations, so we're just going to load up a click track here that I have kind of like as a metronome for certain songs. Anyways, so after we have all those tracks, we then afterwards load it in with all that. I actually have it all loaded in. We're going to show you how to calculate it. It's like 6 repeated many times and then eventually closes on a 5 with usually some really absurd number because I have 6-fold stacks that occurs many times. Might increase it to 7-fold in a while, but I don't know yet. I'm surprised that it's actually doing well, which is actually really surprising, especially since I haven't uploaded 2 months ago. I still haven't uploaded the female enhancement subliminal. Yet, here we are, we're actually doing well for once. Yeah. I'm rambling a bit, but yeah, I have a lot more time on my hands, so I'm able to do stuff. When we get to this final phase, we do turn down the gain with it. So we have now a 5-part stereo thing, is that I have it to where there's lowered volume, increase, and then we have it panned into 5 different areas. We have one side on all the way to the left, one part that's panned to about 50% to the left. Then we have our straight to the middle part, then the 50% to the right, and then the final part, which is all the way to the right. Creates a kind of binaural effect. Yeah, so we have all of those done. And there we go. We actually kind of have it, but I'm not going to play it back because it's just going to be a click tracks cluster, and I'm not going to play that because it would be an absolute mess and you would be absolutely confused as to what's going on. After that, we export the audio. We're probably going to use an MP3 file because, sorry, I don't think I have the space for WAV. We're going to title this a kind of subliminal thing because it's not an actual subliminal at all, no. Then we go ahead, we're going to load it in, artist name, Spieler, track title, we'll have a kind of subliminal thingy. Then we'll probably have the album title as literally made, for example, video. Because that's what this is. First track, because it's not the only track. If you're wondering why it's doing a weird down symbol on the record button and all that, the genre is subliminal audio LMAO, but it happens whenever I do shift. It's the shift button, so yeah, there we go. So, yeah, after it's finally been exported, you're probably able to see that. I close Audacity because I really am not needing it anymore. And there it is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.